you the concept how it adheres all the charms and crystal and will last long, 4 weeks plus. So I am go ahead and using condensed glue gels, and it's thick density. The other days I show you how is one of the really triple thick one. It's condensed glue gel for the 3D cluster portrait backs. You can use that for like big crystal, like this crystal I have in the jars. But however, if you're using a flat back or like a good charm like this, you can definitely use with condensed glue gel. It's really good and thick density, so you don't need a whole lot. Little go a long way. And floating no white top coat on the top, so you don't want to pull it so hard because you don't want to pull off all of your condensed glue gel. So you're gonna go ahead and floating on the top. And get that one. You see me doing a lot with the it's so nice and heavy. I might use my tweezer. What did I touch? No. Can't get that. I'm gonna add this smaller. My centerpiece here is the big crowd. Okay, can I? Do you have a different frame?
You wanna go?
I want silver frame, like the knot.
You wanna cut or what?
Kind of, but not really. Alright, so I'm gonna take this off because I'm find a different frame that I like also. And then if you can't find the length that you want, you know what you can do? You can definitely cut it with your crystal clipper. Okay. I'm gonna add some beads on. You know what? Oh, hold on. I have a silver. Can you open this? Thank you. Hold on. I can do silver. Thank you. You'll see this one's on the website soon. I'm so excited. This is like really real bead too. I spilled it the other days and I'm using my magnet too. And I'm able to like pick them all up. And my big centerpiece here is this the crowds, and I work around with the centerpiece and add more crystals. And add silver beads. I like it a lot. You know what? The silver looks so beautiful. Those gold look cool. Silver looks like trendy. And wipe up on the edges. So then to remove all the excess condensed glue gels and no wipe top coats to keep the shape of the nails nice and precise. To wipe that off. Really cool.